Here is the 1963 GILERA B300. Absolutely Concours condition and fully restored. It's a very rare bike, being the first parallel twin that GILERA done. It has been fully restored and is show condition. Probably the finest bike you will find anywhere. Beautiful polished rims, Silentium exhaust from Torino, Italia. Just absolutely beautiful. The paintwork is just stunning. A lot of work has gone into this motorcycle. I'll show you the starting up procedure. Quirky little switch underneath the headlight, which is like the ignition, and the switch goes in, green light comes on, that's your ignition. Fuel taps on, both fuel taps. Shouldn't need choke because I fired it up 5 minutes ago. This is the choke lever. I'll leave it off. Give it a little kick. There she is. Absolutely glorious. Bumping sound. Gearbox is 1 up and 3 down. Gear levers on the right hand side, brake pedal on the left. Matching engine and frame number bike. Like I said, very rare bike indeed. Just lovely. Everything works as it should. Lights. Horn. You also have the main beam, which is this one. Cat box here. There we go. This works lovely. And you have side lights.